Hey everyone! Ever wondered what magic happens when you mix cloves and cinnamon in a steaming cup? Turns out this delicious combo is not just yummy, but it might also help you feel your best. From managing blood sugar levels to boosting your memory, this ancient drink is making a comeback for a reason. And today, we are diving into the science behind these amazing recipes. So grab your favorite mug, get ready to unlock some delicious secrets, and discover how this simple drink could transform your health. Number 1. Liver support. Let's start with cloves. These little guys are packed with something called eugenol, which is like a secret weapon against liver damage. Eugenol has this amazing ability to protect your liver cells from all sorts of harmful stuff that can sneak into your body from food, the environment, and whatnot. Now, onto cinnamon, it can boost the production of enzymes in your liver. Enzymes are like the workers in your liver. They break down toxins and get rid of them. Also, studies have shown that both cloves and cinnamon have anti-inflammatory properties. Why does that matter for your liver? Well, inflammation can mess with your liver, leading to all sorts of issues, like liver damage and even diseases like hepatitis. But by enjoying some clove cinnamon tea regularly, you're giving your liver a break from the chaos and helping it stay chill. Number 2. Support heart health. Cinnamon is known to help lower bad cholesterol levels, so there are two types of cholesterol: the good kind, high-density lipoprotein, and the bad kind, low-density lipoprotein. Too much LDL can clog up your arteries, leading to all sorts of heart problems. But cinnamon jumps in and helps block the production of LDL in your liver, so there's less of it floating around causing trouble. Now onto cloves. They contain special compounds that relax your blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow through. When your blood vessels are relaxed, your blood pressure goes down, taking the strain off your heart. And when you mix cloves and cinnamon in your tea, you're giving your heart a double dose of goodness. So go ahead, enjoy your cinnamon clove tea and let these spices keep your heart happy and healthy. Number 3. Reduce blood sugar levels. After you eat something, especially if it's sugary or starchy, your blood sugar levels can shoot up. Now, if this happens too often, it's not great news. Those high blood sugar levels can lead to health issues like diabetes and heart troubles. But don't worry, because here is where our hero, clove cinnamon tea, steps in. Cinnamon makes your cells more sensitive to insulin, the hormone that helps regulate your blood sugar. When your cells respond better to insulin, it's easier for them to take in sugar from your bloodstream, which brings your blood sugar levels back down to a healthier range. As for cloves, they contain compounds that improve insulin secretion and enhance insulin sensitivity, further contributing to better blood sugar control. Just remember to enjoy your tea without adding extra sugar, as that could counteract the benefits. Number 4. Promote weight loss. Now let's talk about how this magical blend of cloves and cinnamon can help you shed those extra pounds. Cinnamon contains compounds that speed up your metabolism, which is basically how fast your body burns calories. When your metabolism is revved up, you burn more calories even when you're just chilling. Plus, cinnamon regulates your blood sugar levels so you don't get those annoying sugar cravings that lead to overeating. And then there are cloves. They contain substances that can suppress appetite and make you feel fuller for longer. Now let's talk about some scientific evidence. A study published in the Journal of Lipids in Health and Disease found that cinnamon reduces waist circumference and body fat. Another study showed that cloves can help improve metabolism and decrease body weight. Number 5. Boosts immunity. So, you know how our body sometimes has to deal with unwanted guests like bacteria and viruses? Well, cloves and cinnamon are like the bouncers at the door, keeping those microbes in check. Cloves contain stuff that goes straight for the microbes' weak spot, their outer wall. Cinnamon releases compounds that mess with the microbes' growth, making it hard for them to multiply and cause chaos. But wait, there's more. Did you know that a big part of your immune system hangs out in your gut? Yep, it's true. And guess what? Cloves and cinnamon are great for gut health too. They balance the good bacteria in your gut, creating a happy environment where your immune system can thrive. Number 6. Freshens breath. Have you ever noticed how some breath fresheners just cover up the smell temporarily, like putting a band-aid on a problem? Well, cloves and cinnamon don't just mask bad breath. They tackle the root cause of the problem. Often, bad breath comes from bacteria living in your mouth, especially in hard-to-reach areas. These guys munch on leftover food, leaving behind stinky odors. Drinking clove cinnamon tea is like sending in a cleaning team for your mouth. Both cloves and cinnamon have properties that fight bacteria, potentially reducing the ones that cause bad breath. Also, the warmth of the tea can boost saliva production. Saliva acts like your mouth's natural cleaner, washing away food particles and keeping bacteria in check, adding to the fresh feeling. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video. Number 7, reduces menstrual cramps. Hey ladies, you know those annoying monthly pains? Well, guess what? Clove and cinnamon tea can actually ease the discomfort. Both cloves and cinnamon have these cool compounds that fight inflammation. And guess what causes those cramps? Yup, inflammation in the uterus. Ouch. But thanks to our dynamic duo, we might just have a solution. During that time of the month, your uterus is doing its thing, contracting to shed its lining. And that's when the cramps kick in. But cinnamon steps in like a hero, relaxing those uterine muscles and reducing the intensity of those contractions. And let's not forget about cloves. A study published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Biomedicine showed that the active ingredients in cloves have pain-relieving properties, making them super effective against those dreaded cramps. Number 8, improves cognitive function. Both cloves and cinnamon have been studied for their potential to prevent age-related brain diseases like Alzheimer's and dementia. A study published in the Journal of Pharmacological Research found that the compounds in cinnamon inhibit the buildup of proteins in the brain associated with Alzheimer's disease. Similarly, research has shown that the antioxidants in cloves protect against cognitive decline and memory loss. But wait, it gets even cooler. It's not just about what these spices do on the inside, their smell is also pretty magical. Taking a whiff of cloves and cinnamon can actually boost your mood and make you more focused. So next time you're enjoying a cup of clove cinnamon tea, take a moment to inhale that steam and relax. Number 9, reduces stress and anxiety. Cloves and cinnamon contain compounds that have a calming effect on your body. When you sip on that warm clove cinnamon tea, these compounds start doing their magic. Cinnamon, for instance, has this cool ability to regulate chemicals in your brain, like serotonin. You might have heard of serotonin as the feel-good hormone. Well, it plays a big role in keeping your mood stable and your stress levels in check. Cloves contain antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress in your body. Oxidative stress is like the wear and tear that happens to your body when you're under pressure. By fighting oxidative stress, cloves help your body in dealing with stress, making you more calm and relaxed. Number 10, boosts energy levels. So, you know when you're feeling all tired and sluggish and just need a little pick-me-up to get through the day? Well, that's where our dynamic duo comes in. Cloves contain nutrients that play a crucial role in the energy-making process in your body. Also, cloves improve blood circulation, meaning all that energy your cells are producing can get where it needs to go faster. It's like opening up the highways for a speedy delivery of energy to every part of your body. Now onto cinnamon. It regulates your blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining steady energy throughout the day. When your blood sugar stays balanced, you avoid those energy crashes that leave you feeling drained and sluggish. You may not feel the instant energy blast, like with those flashy energy drinks, but this natural boost will last longer and feel way better in the long run. Number 11, skin healing properties. Let's talk about skin irritation. Whether it's from environmental factors or allergies, irritated skin can be a real pain. Luckily, both cloves and cinnamon have soothing properties that can provide relief to irritated skin. So if you're dealing with redness, itchiness, or inflammation, sipping on some clove cinnamon tea might just do the trick. They are antimicrobial, which means they can fight with bacteria that can lead to breakouts and infections. Oh, and they also stimulate blood flow to the skin's surface. More blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching those tired skin cells, helping them repair and rejuvenate faster. So next time your skin's throwing a tantrum, reach for the cloves and cinnamon tea. Number 12, anti-cancer potential. Cancer happens when cells in your body start growing out of control. It's like a rebellion among your cells, but nature has some powerful helpers. Both cloves and cinnamon have been studied for their potential to fight cancer. Cloves contain compounds like eugenol, which research suggests can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce their death through a process called apoptosis. This means it basically tells the cancer cells, hey, time to pack up and leave. Cinnamon has this cool ingredient called cinnamaldehyde. It's like a bodyguard against cancer, stopping it from spreading and cutting off the blood supply that tumors need to grow bigger. So next time you're craving a warm and comforting beverage, why not reach for the delightful duo of cloves and cinnamon? To make your perfect cup of clove cinnamon tea, begin with 2 or 3 cloves and a dash of cinnamon. About half a teaspoon should do the trick. But hey, don't stress about getting the measurements exact. Make it fit your own taste buds. And remember, these spices are awesome, but they're not the only players in the game. Eating healthy, staying active, and taking care of yourself overall are just as important. So enjoy your tea, take it easy, and keep up the